Hello my dear friends and welcome to Super C. In today's video, let us learn how to decode the word problem. Over here, one word problem has been given based on multiplication. So we have to first identify what information that they have given. Secondly, to convert that information in the form of mathematical equation. And thirdly, to find the solution based on your mathematical operations. Over here, I can see that Emily wants to bake for a charity sale. She wants to bake 6 batches of chocolate cookies, and one batch of chocolate cookies require 3/4 or 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. So in all, how many chocolate chips are required to bake 6 batches of chocolate chip cookies? So let us first understand how to form the statements. Over here, the first statement I can see is the number of batches Emily wants to bake, that is 6. The second statement requires or has been stated as what is the amount of chocolate chips are required, that is 3/4 cup. Now, what I have to do, this is information regarding 1. I have to simply multiply a 3/4 cup with 6 batches to find my answer. So let us do that. Over here, I have 3/4 times 6. I can easy peasy find it by simplifying it. Over here, it is 2 and 3. I got 9 and 2. Now to further simplify, the half of 9 will be 4.5. Therefore, 4.5 cup of chocolate chips are required to bake 6 batches of cookies. Wasn't that easy? See you in next video. Bye bye.